Hey guys, it's Gear Tutorials. I got my hair done as you can see, and I just want to say happy Thanksgiving. And I also have a quick announcement. So I am doing this huge giveaway when we hit 100 subscribers, and I already have everything set up. And I will just post a video once we hit 100 subscribers. So let's get that going. Let's try to tell your friends, your family, your uncles, your mother, your sisters, your daddies, your fathers, your grandparents. Tell everybody. Everybody that you think that will be helpful, that will need this channel to help them out. Also, I know I haven't been posting in a while. I'm actually, to be honest, I'm telling you the truth, I've been running out of ideas. So I'm trying to figure out what to post and stuff. But I'm telling you, I will post videos. It's not the end of the channel. I'm just running out of ideas. So yeah. Once again, happy Thanksgiving. And as you can see in my outfit, I got a little Old Navy shirt, the Old Navy jeans. See? Ah. And oh, okay, y'all, you ready for this? Converses. Alright. But yeah, so that's all I just wanted to say. I just wanted to tell y'all that. Just let y'all know that a giveaway's coming. And yeah. Once again, for the third time, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Bye.